Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Key, aka Natural Debutante, and today, if you could not figure it out from the title, we will be trying this hair paint wax. So I personally love color. I get braids a lot and I always get color, some type of color, but I do not like dyeing my hair. I will not dye my hair because I'm nervous about what the chemicals will do to my curl pattern. So I am so excited about this. I have 4 different colors. So I have blue, purple, gold, interesting, and silver, which would be really cool. Really excited about that one. But today, I think I'm just going to try blue. I was going to do blue and purple, but I was like, let's start with one and see how this goes, okay? Let's start with one. So I'm not going to put any chemicals. I'm definitely not putting no chemicals on my hair. I'm not going to put any more product on it, I don't think. I'm just going to put some water on it, and if I need to, because the back is still damp a little bit. And then put the hair paint wax on top. It is literally a wax, like I keep saying chemicals because I'm so nervous probably. Okay, the ingredients are water, wax, beeswax. So it's natural. We'll see how this goes, but let's take a moment of appreciation for this. This is hair right out of the Protective Style, and I like it. Azu. Can't stop looking at myself. When your hair is growing. Healthy hair, healthy hair, healthy hair. Okay. Let's get into it. So I'm going to do a twist out with this. So we'll see what's up in a second. It's just gonna... I'm not going to do like a crazy twist out because if it has a bunch of wax in it, like I'm going to have to do my hair or wash my hair after that. So I'm not trying to spend a bunch of time doing it. I'm not going to lie. So we're going to do a nice little chunky twist out right here. Not going to be super defined, but it's going to be alright. I will put a little oil on it on my hair just to have like a barrier between my hair and this wax. And my hair was really was pretty wow, I combed it out really well before I put it in the Protective Style, so it should be good. But never hurts to, well, it does hurt, but never hurts to add a little bit more. Okay, so we're just gonna put a little oil, make sure you get my ends. Okay, so let's see what this looks like. So we're gonna go in with some of this. And I started with a little bit. We'll work our way up because I'm kind of nervous. I want the ends to be really colorful and then the rest to not be. I don't want it to build up either, so. It's definitely defining my curls though. That's funny to me. I don't know why. Ah, child, I'm so nervous. Okay, so that looks good, I think. Wonder if we should put a little bit more. Let's put a little bit more. Let's make it real vibrant, okay? Real vibrant. Just at the ends though. But I'm kind of nervous if it's gonna flake and stuff, you know? Okay. I don't know how to describe the feeling. It feels weird. The ends of my hair feel really weird, but it's definitely defined my curls really well, so that's really cool. I'll take that. So I'm just going to do this throughout the rest of my head. So I'm just going to twist it up. I'm not going to do anything special, and I'm not even going to, ooh, but it's hanging though. Oh, shoot. Okay, okay. Done twisting. It only took like around 20 minutes and it is messy. It's messy, messy, messy. But it's coming off. If you can see it on my shirt, it's all on me. We'll see how it looks. I'm definitely gonna wear an old bonnet tonight. No, it's gonna stain or something. But I'm really excited to see the results. So I will see you tomorrow for the takedown. Hi everyone, welcome back. So I slept on these overnight. You can still see the blue. It's not as vibrant as I thought it would be, but I'm still super excited about it. I don't think I mentioned the smell yesterday, but it smells like a man. Maybe like, I don't know what it smells like, but it smells like a man. And I was smelling it all night. I was like, what is that smell? And then it was my hair. It was my hair. A little bit did transfer in my bonnet, but I just used an old bonnet, so it was okay. Not that big of a deal. We're gonna take these down, see how it goes. I'm gonna put on some music and I'll come back with you so we can talk through the final look, give you my final thoughts. Okay, I'm sorry. I just can't even look at this. Oh my gosh, I thought it was not gonna come out like blue, but child, look at that. Ah, look at that. And the definition. Oh my god. I'm excited. So excited. Okay. I'm really excited. But okay, back to the music. I'll come back at the end. Hopefully they all turn out as good as this back one right here, child. Cause this right here, this is it. so this is the end result, and child, I love it. Like, bruh, my hair is blue. Okay, my hair is blue with no damage. Like, this is amazing. Amazing. Like, it's clearly transferring, which I don't know why I decided to wear white today. However, it's okay. There's like stuff on my chest here. There's some over here on my shoulder. I'm assuming it's going to be on my back as well. But let's first just discuss how easy this was. So you literally just put it on top like a gel or something like that. But it's a wax. It's all natural. It's supposed to wash out. But it does transfer. The only con that I see as of right now. But bruh, my hair is blue. My hair is blue. I'm loving it. So we'll see how it wears throughout the day. If there's any crazy complications, I'll let you know. But this is my hair. Blue all the way around. And it's like a vibrant blue. This is gorgeous. My hair is fluffy. Oh my gosh. Like, I was supposed to only leave this in for one day, which I'm probably still only going to leave it in for one day. But the way it's looking though, I might need to do something tonight. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I might need to go out, do something. You know, it's the Canelo fight tonight. Shoot. If you're a boxing fan, let me know. We like boxing over here. But yes, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I was able to give you some information about this. If you really are into color and don't want to permanently dye your hair, this temporary color, this hair wax may work for you. Again, I love the smell and the hold is really amazing. You could probably do a wash and go with this. Like, I'm in love right now. I'm in love right now. I mean, there's a con, but it's not even that significant at this point. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Wake, meditate, and slay.